beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, thank you so much. Please subscribe and like this video. So I just washed my hair and I will be proceeding to blow dry my hair. Pray for me. This is my first time blow drying my hair ever since I've been natural. And also I think I will straighten my hair, so I'll be trying that as well for the first time, and trimming my hair. So this video is all about first time for everything. I hope it comes out good. So I'm starting on damp hair, going in with this leave-in conditioner by Shumie hair products, spraying it through my hair and making sure my hair is moistured. Then go in with the heat protectant spray. This is very important. You can't skip this. You may skip the leave-in conditioner if you want to, but please don't skip the heat protectant spray. So I'm just spraying it through my hair, making sure it's in, and now I'm trying to detangle with my hands. Obviously I've detangled while washing my hair, but I just have to thoroughly detangle once more. Now I'm using the tension method to stretch my hair. This helps me to prepare my hair for blow drying, the proper blow drying, which means I'm minimizing heat into my hair. And this makes the blow drying process less painful or not painful at all. So with your next appointment, you better tell your hairdresser to do this, or do this at home before they blow dry your hair. And do you see this? My hair is getting stretched. It's getting longer and longer. Do you see that? That's why we do this. By the time you go in with the blow dryer, you go in with ease. You go in with ease. And that's it. Look at the shock I'm having. Like I said, this was my first time doing this. And I'm like, what? Just by doing that? I haven't gone in with a comb or any brush. I'm just like, how does my hair go from this to this in few minutes? What do you mean? So we continue with the tension method all over. Okay, not all over. I'm doing this section by section. So that's the section at the back. I'm done now. I will be going in with this blow dryer brush. If you don't have it, you can use this paddle brush with your blow dryer. So because I have the blow dryer brush that I bought from Takealot, I'm going to use it. Every process we start back from the ends all the way to the roots. So even with the blow drying, I'm blow drying from the ends going up to the roots. Let me tell you, this is 10 times better than using a small tooth comb with a blow dryer, trying to blow dry our afro hair. With our afro hair, you have to use a wide tooth comb, like the afro comb, or a paddle brush with a blow dryer to blow dry it, or use this kind of blow dryer brush. Do you see how much ease I'm having? There's no pain, that pain that you feel like your scalp is burning or something. I'm sorry guys, but the salons traumatized me. I think that's why I took a long break from getting my hair braided, unless I go to a natural hair salons, and we know they don't come cheap. Their service is expensive, reasonably so. I am going to be repeating the same steps all over my hair, as you can see, section by section. And this is your reminder to like and subscribe in case you forgot. Now let's get into the hair straightener process. This is after I took about 2 hours break because I worked, okay? And the hair straightening process, it was kicking me shame. I tried my best, I really did, but I don't think I did too much of a great job, but I did what I can, okay? Again, going in section by section. I tried using the chase method, but it was giving me a bit of a problem, so I freestyled. What I learned from doing this that I think you can do better from me is that if you want bouncy volume, silk press, you have to bump your hair. You see how we style our bob wigs? There at the end, almost at the end, we straighten our hair but bump it a little, bump it a little as if you're doing a curve. This is what I would do differently so that I can have that bouncy volume silk press. But nonetheless, I was happy with how my silk press came out. It was good enough. Yeah. Remember what I told you before on my tutorials. If you are in a hurry, don't do your hair, because you will be impatient with yourself. You'll be impatient with your hair. This hair thing needs you to do things step by step. You shouldn't be in a hurry. You should give it all your time. So afterwards, I went in with this hair serum just a bit. Unfortunately, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But yeah, this is the final result. This is what we're working with. I need some trimming. Like, I need to trim my hair properly. But since this was my first time seeing this length, I was like, I won't trim too much. I will trim just a bit. But I do see where I should be trimming. I think I'll be comfortable with going to a natural hair salon, be seated, let them do the work, and trim my hair properly for me. Because when you trim your hair, you also promote growth. I started enjoying my hair when it was less silky and flat. That's why I'm saying next time I would definitely give my hair volume. There's a way to make your silk press to last longer. I definitely wasn't doing that because I wanted to lose the silkiness, the flatness. Here I am so impressed with how my hair is looking. Oh my god. But it's too bad because here I was planning to do my ponytail hairstyle, which came out so good. I just wanted to show you guys an update of day 5, how we were looking. So this is the ponytail look. It came out so good. I definitely enjoyed my silk press. It came with its own perks. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much.